guys. We just got to our public land spot here in Tennessee. It is 15 minutes till 3. We'll be waking up here in about 2 hours. Been here for about an hour. Kenny's been asleep. He had a ball game tonight. But been driving around this piece. I've not been here in a couple years. Had pretty good luck on this piece the 2 times that we've been. So we've been on birds both times. I've killed one of my best birds to date on this piece, just on out the road here a little bit. But just right across the road at another food plot 2 years ago. Kenny could have killed one and didn't hear me tell him shoot. But anyway, when we got here, drove around just kind of seeing if anybody else was camping or parked, and we're the only ones out here. But I wanted to stop and check these food plots, see if they's mowing them. These food plots are like tucked in back in the woods. Sets up real nice for turkeys. Seems like good habitat. One I checked was growed up sage grass, kind of like a prairie look to it. Another one looked like kind of almost like a hayfield, kind of fescue looking. The one we're parked at was where we wanted to be the last time we was here when Kenny was youth hunting on this weekend. When we come down before, I'm thinking it was in the last weekend of March, and they've moved the seasons up. But Kentucky and Tennessee youth season comes in the same weekend this year. Kenny wanted to come down here and give it another go, try to get him a public land Tennessee bird. And anyway, this plot here, the one that had the birds and the sign last time we was here, it's a beautiful big winter wheat field. So it's going to be our starting point in the morning. We'll probably go in, take a blind with us. It's giving a little bit of rain, so probably take a blind with us. If we don't do any good the first little bit, don't hear any gobbling, we're gonna get on our feet and do some running and gunning. So stick around, and see you here in a few hours. Watching Caney Creek Outdoors. Kenny's in the back seat right there. All right, guys. It's finally breaking a little daylight here. We've not heard any gobbles yet, but just a few minutes ago, heard sound like either a couple Jakes calking or a hen out here yelping. So should be turkeys here. They've always been here before. This is a big food plot right here they've got in the back of this, kind of going out this ridge line here. It's tucked back in woods all the way around it. So got this new blind set up. First time hunting out of it. It's one of the kind of mesh see-through deals. I'm liking it so far. We wanted to have a good starting place here this morning, and if we don't have any luck, we'll start getting on our feet and trying to make something happen. Anyway, stick around. Kenny's over here napping. He won't wake up. He said he's cold and tired, so hopefully old big boy will come strutting out here in a minute. It'll pump him up. Stick around.
mind. Never mind, never mind. Oh my god. That stupid decoy just gave me a jump scare. I hate that stupid decoy. I looked up, I seen that redhead.
Put your hat on. See, they can see in here. It'll be easy.
How can they see it?
These windows are open.
They're scared, Dad. Because they're gonna pee really bad right now. They coming to us. What?
Kinda looks like it.
I can shoot. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, all them's jakes, every one of them.
Not a single gobbler.
I mean, you can shoot a jake if you want
Okay.
to. Yeah,
Okay, I'm going to.
they're legal.
Okay. Hey,
Watch them. You see them?
yeah.
What?
You know what we ought to do?
What? Maybe that's a big gobble there.
That might have been the gobbler.
Oh, I see him strutting up there. He's up there in the edge of the woods.
Oh.
Oh, there's a bunch of them. Two of them, son. Two big strutters.
Are they close?
They're right there where them jakes come out. Can't get your... I mean, watch this. They're up there. Here they come. Be still. See him?
On that. I don't like see him. I don't see him. Oh, yeah, I do. That's a big one.
I told you. We got a hen with them. Kenny, honey. They can hear you. They got one hen with them. The hen's getting closer. You hear me? The hen's getting closer. We can't. They'll see us get out the blind. That's 2 more jakes. That's 6 or 7 jakes.
It's landing special. It's landing special.
Them's all jakes too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 jakes and 2 longbeards.
Why do we come here?
Because I knew there was turkeys here. They always are. No, there's 12 of them right here. Look at them all.
Are they coming to us?
Look at them.
Oh my god. Can I shoot them?
There's a jake strutting too.
I didn't know Jake's can strut.
Yeah.
Why didn't ours?
Look at that jake strutting there.
Why didn't ours strut?
See?
Hey, why didn't ours strut when it was Jake's?
They are. They're jakes right now.
Are they really still?
I knew we should have been up in that corner.
Hey, did you not hear that voice? I said, hey. Did you not hear that? We've not done a single talk.
Do what?
We've barely done any talk.
I know it.
They're all running down here.
They went out of sight running this
Can I
way.
shoot that? Can I shoot
I'm
that?
gonna let you, yeah.
No, can I shoot that in?
It'll be close. But there's so many, we gotta let them separate.
Why?
Because you'll kill 2 or 3.
What if I do?
We can't, we'll get in trouble.
Like, what if I sold a flip to make video?
There. You see the one all the way on the right, the head sticking up?
No.
You don't see their heads right there. Right here.
I shoot it.
Hold on. You gotta let them separate. Get ready. Get your gun up there. Take your rest off of that. Cock your hammer. See the one in the very front?
Yeah.
Shoot him.
Right now.
Yep. Get it on him and shoot him. Hold on, hold on, hold on. See the one in the very back?
I'm shooting.
Yep. You missed. Hold on here.
You're stupid. Give me another shoot now.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Calm down, calm down.
How do I get it?
Oh man, it's stuck. Let me see it. All right, guys. Y'all seen all the craziness right there. I let Kenny take a shot at one of those jakes, and the way the rolling that hill was, it ended up being a little bit farther than what I thought it was. So I thought it was going to be about 35 yards, 40 yards. And I think when they popped up, they was. But where I was watching through the little viewfinder on that camera, they kind of eased out to about 50 or 55 yards. And it didn't wound it or anything, so he'll be fine.
It hit it.
It might have burnt him up a little bit, but when those jakes come in and run them toms off, they run over in this big holler right here.
What's
So
Tom?
gobbler,
How'd they run him off?
they come in fine, and didn't you watch them?
Yeah.
And Kenny's spaced out this morning. But anyway, so when they run them over into this holler, one of the hens broke off and come down on the lower side of this hill toward us. Well, those 6 more aggressive jakes, they followed her. The rest of the jakes and those gobblers went down this holler. But so we come up here to where they was at, and they're over in here gobbling still. So we're just gonna kick back and eat a snack here, and hopefully one of them comes back in and get another shot. I'm gonna have to do some work on his little gun, clean it or something. That hole jammed in it, and I like to never got it out. So we had to.
I had to give him the idea to use a stick.
I had to whittle us a little ramrod here. So anyway, we're back in action here, and it is 9:08. These birds are hammering. We're gonna sit here on this wheat field until 12:30 or 1 o'clock, and head back home. It's been a fun morning so far. I knew there'd be birds at this place. They always are. So might have to make a trip back down here during regular season next weekend. See how it works out. All right, thanks for watching. Easy, son, easy. Here, easy, that's some jakes.
Close enough.
Close enough, yeah. Just scoot up. Scoot your seat up.
Okay.
Be easy.
Hey, I can sit in the catcher stands. And
No, you can't. It's too low.
Is it?
Just hold it right there.
Lay the red dot on.
See if it is now.
It's not that I need it. There's a red dot on it, so
See if it's on.
it is. It ain't anymore. Turn it off.
It's off.
Yeah, turn it on and then. Oh. There it goes. It's green. Is that bad?
This is the ones we miss. No, use whatever you can. Can you see it good?
Yeah, it's very bright.
All right, hey, scoot your seat up. Scoot it up. Put your phone down. Easy.
It's not a
Scoot it up. Keep your finger off the trigger. Here they come. Here, they're coming. They're coming to the left. All right. Do you see this one in the front? Go ahead, cock your hammer back. As soon as you get a good rest on his head, kill him.
Okay, look, alright.
Easy. You see the one? Easy, don't move.
Okay, see him yet.
Here, get ready, they're coming. You should be able to start seeing him anytime. See his big red head sticking up.
I can see him, but it's like I can't get like see him.
Well, get on him. Get on his head, that's all you need to see.
The one in the back right there.
Which one?
Like
The one in the back?
Yeah.
Shoot him.
It has this big. Okay, from where it is. Oh my god.
Which one you on?
The front one.
Okay.
Oh, I can't.
Hold on, you're alright. Oh, right there. You killed that one, Bubba.
Got him.
Go get him. Go put him in a chokehold. Yes, baby. Go get him. Chokehold him, baby. Get him. Get him, baby. Boom, baby. All right, guys, as you can see, you've seen on the video, everything that happened this morning. We've been in Turkey since probably 8 o'clock. And
It was before 8 o'clock.
it might have been before 8 o'clock, yeah. You can see all the turkeys that come out, and they come out right here behind us out of these woods. There's another field right past this, and we was set up down here about middle ways, and all the turkeys was congregating up here. So once he shot and missed that, we gave it a few minutes to settle down. We packed up, we snuck around, come back here, and we set up right here behind us. And done that interview. I think it was 9:08, and at 9:27 he's putting him in a chokehold. So it's good. It's same group of jakes that he'd missed there just a minute ago. Pretty good jake. It's his first jake. He's killed all longbeards up until now. It's his first public land bird, first out of state bird.
No, it ain't. Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. Got his Punisher hat on. His turkey killing hat.
Colorful.
Yep, beautiful. And ain't nothing I'd rather be doing is hanging out with my son. He's my best friend. And nothing I'd rather do is be with him, doing what we want to do and what we love to do. Nothing like it. We'll get you feathers out of it. But anyway, thanks for watching. We're getting ready to pack up, head back to the truck, head back to Kentucky. And if we get in time, we might see if we can find one around there. If not, we're gonna hang out and get ready for ball practice today. And
I'm not hunting again today.
you ain't.
No.
He's done hunting today, so we might go in the morning.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching. So this video here will probably come out on tomorrow, which will be Sunday. And whatever we do tomorrow, come out later in the week or next weekend or something. So thanks for watching. And you got anything to say, Kenny?